Real numbers PH will once and for all clarify the confusing and divisive numbers in the government's campaign against crime and illegal drugs.
What is important here is the clear and definite line of communication among agencies, the readily available data that may be disseminated to the listening and viewing public, and our immediate actions and solutions in addressing the current problem. A lot of work still needs to be done here. Our police force remain focused on doing their job. Today, there is no holding back. Let the truth be told.
The local drug trafficking organization serves as the retailers of the transnational syndicates which distribute the drugs to the street pushers, then to the more than 4 million drug users in the country, which transforms to a 120 billion drug industry. The drug problem of the country is massive and now poses a threat to the national security. Status quo is not acceptable. We need to do something now. Under the leadership of President Duterte, having the anti-drug program as his #1 priority, the overall anti-drug efforts from July 1, 2016 to April 2017 significantly increased.
Double-barrel reloaded concentrates and focuses on 2 projects. Project Tokhang Revisited and HVT Revalidated. That out of the 53,503 operations conducted, we have arrested 64,917. Your PNP's mission is to serve and protect the community. With this, we will continuously perform our anti-drug campaign.
As a result of the intensified anti-drug efforts of the whole government, on the supply side, the total value of seized drugs is 14.49 or 12% of the estimated supply in less than a year. On the demand side, 1,266,966 surrenderers, or 26.45% reduction of the estimated total drug market of more than 1 million users.
A total of 484, 298 crime incidents were collated from July 15 to March 2016. But for the same period from 2016 up to 2017, in the present administration, all these crimes reduced by 11.74%.
The Department of Health considers drug abuse and drug dependence as a mental health concern. We look at the spectrum of health services from preventive, promotive, to curative, which is detoxification, lasting for 2 weeks or more, and rehabilitative, lasting for 6 months up to 12 months. We have a total of 48 accredited drug abuse treatment and rehabilitation centers across the country.
So the hope of the DSWD together with the DOH is to heal first the individual and then the family and then the community and our whole country. Because included in our community-based therapy is the family will also come, and then later on they will be reintegrated into the community where they will be taught livelihood projects and skills and to get back into society and be productive citizens.
We need to come together to overcome a culture of shared and learned helplessness. Getting our acts together, we can reduce drug use, in my opinion, by 50% in 10 years' time, using not necessarily Labang model, but a community-based rehab model.
Very critical for a jumping of the growth of the country is the peace and order to make the poor thrive into business, and for those who does the job can go to work and to their home safely. That's why it's very important that this drug menace can be stopped in the next 5 years.
The long-term solution is in all of us. This is a menace, this is a problem. The status quo, as Pidea has said, is not acceptable. We need to do something. And the doing of something will require all of us, a whole nation approach.
The Filipino must become a committed citizen engage in discussions, we must all realize that we are not each other's enemies, but rather we are partners in defeating one foe, the illegal hard drug trade and its apparatus. As a nation, we must work together in ensuring that we win this war. Fight false numbers by spreading the real numbers.